The vehicle parks itself with remarkable accuracy using intelligent sensors and cameras.
The powertrain is tested under real-world driving conditions without leaving the factory. Bright inspection lights reveal even the smallest paint imperfections before approval. The self-driving system successfully detects obstacles and reacts instantly without human input. Infrared curing technology hardens the paint, creating a brilliant and long-lasting finish. The autonomous system confidently recognizes roads, signals, and pedestrians in real time. Every day, cutting-edge robotics and skilled engineers work together to create the future of luxury transportation. Inside the AI-powered warehouse, every material is tracked and organized with remarkable precision. The journey begins with aircraft-grade aluminum and carbon fiber, delivering incredible strength with lightweight performance. Powerful laser cutters shape each aluminum panel with microscopic accuracy and incredible speed. Hundreds of synchronized robotic arms transform raw metal into perfectly engineered body panels. Advanced welding robots fuse every component into an incredibly strong and durable vehicle frame. Laser scanners inspect every weld to ensure flawless quality and maximum structural safety. Robotic polishers create a perfectly smooth surface, preparing the body for its premium finish. Automated paint robots apply multiple flawless layers for a stunning luxury appearance. Infrared curing technology hardens the paint, creating a brilliant and long-lasting finish. AI vision systems detect even microscopic imperfections before production continues. Next comes the advanced electric chassis, designed for strength, efficiency, and exceptional performance. Robots carefully assemble high-capacity battery packs that power the vehicle for hundreds of miles. High-performance electric motors are installed to deliver instant power and silent acceleration. Now the vehicle receives its powerful AI computer, the intelligent brain behind autonomous driving. LiDAR, radar, and high-resolution cameras give the car a complete view of the world around it.
Every sensor is carefully calibrated to ensure precise navigation and reliable autonomous performance.
With its intelligent systems installed, the vehicle now enters the luxury interior assembly department.
Premium leather seats are stitched with robotic precision for unmatched comfort and elegant craftsmanship.
Every luxury seat is carefully installed to deliver exceptional comfort on every journey.
The panoramic glass roof is fitted with incredible precision for a bright and spacious cabin.
Natural wood, aluminum, and premium materials create a sophisticated luxury interior. A stunning digital dashboard transforms the cabin into a high-tech driving experience. The intelligent steering wheel combines elegant design with advanced digital controls. A premium surround sound system is carefully installed for an immersive listening experience.
Thousands of electrical connections power every intelligent feature inside the vehicle.
Advanced climate systems ensure perfect comfort in every season and every seat. The vehicle now receives the intelligent software that powers its self-driving capabilities. Powerful servers securely upload millions of lines of software into every vehicle. Engineers verify that every autonomous system performs flawlessly in virtual driving simulations.
High-performance wheels are installed with perfect torque for maximum safety and performance.
The braking system is tested under demanding conditions, to guarantee reliable stopping power. The self-driving system successfully detects obstacles and reacts instantly without human input. The AI safely navigates realistic traffic scenarios while continuously monitoring its surroundings. Every test generates valuable data, helping engineers refine performance and enhance safety. The vehicle undergoes an intense water test to ensure a perfectly sealed and quiet cabin. After passing every inspection, the vehicle advances to the final quality control stage before delivery. Advanced AI scanners inspect every surface to ensure flawless craftsmanship and perfect alignment. Every panel gap is measured with microscopic precision for exceptional build quality. Bright inspection lights reveal even the smallest paint imperfections before approval. The powertrain is tested under real-world driving conditions without leaving the factory. On the test track, the vehicle demonstrates smooth acceleration and intelligent handling. The autonomous system confidently recognizes roads, signals, and pedestrians in real time.
The vehicle parks itself with remarkable accuracy using intelligent sensors and cameras.
The final detailing process ensures every vehicle leaves the factory in perfect condition. After passing every inspection, the vehicle earns its final quality certification. Automated logistics systems prepare each vehicle for safe and efficient delivery. Each vehicle is carefully loaded onto specialized transport carriers for worldwide distribution. With a simple tap, the intelligent vehicle responds and drives itself to its owner. Combining luxury, innovation, and autonomy, this car represents the future of mobility. From raw materials to intelligent machines, every step reflects engineering at its highest level. On the test track, the vehicle demonstrates smooth acceleration and intelligent handling.
The vehicle parks itself with remarkable accuracy using intelligent sensors and cameras.
With a simple tap, the intelligent vehicle responds and drives itself to its owner. Combining luxury, innovation, and autonomy, this car represents the future of mobility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more incredible factory documentaries and the world's most advanced manufacturing stories.